How to practice Yoga Nidra and what are the things to consider for safety and for deep resting practice in Yoga Nidra. In Yoga Nidra, you have to follow these 8 stages. Before that, when you move into this deep relaxation, you need to do some kind of preparations. So first of all, you have to prepare your mind to go with the flow and not find any logic into the practice, because I call this practice as magic, not logic. We all know now that it is an 8-stage practice. And to move into this, you need to lie down in Shavasana, which is preferably you need to lie down and do it. If you can't lie down and do it because of some limitations, then you can even do it sitting. You can even do it on bed if you are sick. Okay. I know for a fact some people even do it standing, and it's wonderful. And yes, it's written also in the Bihar School of Yoga Blue Book that you can do it standing also. When you lie down, you need to make sure that there are no disturbances from the surrounding area. You can do the practice for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can even do the practice from 10 to 30 minutes. Sometimes the practice even goes to 1.5 hours when it is therapy based or it is a personalized practice. You need to wear loose clothes. You need to be empty stomach. You need to when you're lying down, you need to make sure that you are lying down very comfortably. Your hands and legs have to be apart. Your body has to be very comfortable. And if you're used to taking a pillow, then you can take a pillow. Not a very hard pillow, but a pillow which is just giving support to your neck and your shoulders. If you have back pain or knee pain, then you can even take pillows below your knees. If you're pregnant, then probably you need to take good amount of support where you need to be very comfortable. So you have to take a lot of cushions and supports to make you more and more cozy and comfortable. Now, ideally, when you practice Yoga Nidra, your body temperature drops. So that's why it's good to take a blanket or a thin bed sheet to cover yourself. You should not sleep below the fan directly, or the blower of the AC should not be on you directly. So you need to keep that position in mind that way. You need to dim the light because it gives you a rest. Your body already goes into the state of resting. You have to follow the steps. When you move inside, when you're preparing, you go deep, you go slow into the practice. And when you start going deeply, remember your body has rested so much. So when you come out, you have to come out very slowly and easily. You can't come out in a rush and push. Okay? Your body will rest so deeply, you will think that you're sleeping, but your mind is working on the conscious level. So, even if sometimes if you're a beginner in the practice, and if you go off to sleep, it's okay. You can come back and catch the practice from wherever you have stopped or wherever you got stuck, and now you can start it from wherever the practice you can catch. Secondly, don't find logics into the practice. Don't let your constructive mind keep thinking, how will this work and what will happen? When you come out of the practice, you already are very productive, you already are efficient, your body is rested so much that it is more productive and more happy to let you be what you are. If there are certain distractions, it's completely okay. Go with the flow, go with the practice, and always listen to the voice that's guiding you into the practice. I hope you will rest deeply. I wish you will rest deeply. I'll see you in the practice, and I'm waiting to see your comments. Did you rest?